Attire the Closet is a dynamic, full-stack web application designed to revolutionize how we interact with our wardrobes. With an account, user can seamlessly upload various pieces from their closet, spanning from clothes to accessories. These items are then displayed in their personalized virtual closet. But here's where it gets really exciting. Attire the Closet makes everyday dressing a breeze. Users can simply request different outfit options tailored to the occasion and season. And if you fall in love with a particular outfit, you can save it for easy access later. One of the most exhilarating aspects of building Attire was the challenge of querying articles from the database and using them to generate outfits. This process, while demanding, was also incredibly rewarding. It's the heart of what makes this project so special. Furthermore, I took great care in ensuring Attire is accessible across different devices. This involved creating a responsive design that works seamlessly on computers, mobile phones, and tablets. It's also making sure that no matter where you are, your virtual closet is always at your fingertips. I use Python along with a Flask framework, providing a robust foundation for the backend functionality. PostgreSQL handles data management efficiently, and JavaScript for interactive and dynamic front-end elements. I leverage AJAX for seamlessly data handling and integration, and Jinja for efficient template rendering. I also utilize Bootstrap for versatile design, and I integrated the Cloudinary API for efficient image storage. Thank you so much for being here in your time.